Hey YouTube fam, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back to watch another video. This is a drone video. As you guys seen from the title, it's called Six Flags Then and Now. So I did a previous video of Six Flags when it was closed down from COVID. Well, it's back open now. COVID's not over with, but the park is back open. It's a kind of a cloudy, chiller day, so there's probably not going to be too many people there, but the park is back open. So as you guys seen from the title, like I said, this is a then and now. So part of the clips are going to be from when it was shut down, and part of the clips are going to be from after it's back open. So let's check out this footage. I'm going to put together a special edit and use some of the old footage that I took when it was closed from COVID and when it was shut down and everything. And then the other part of the clips are going to be now that it's back open. Kind of COVID's settling down and starting to go away, hopefully. I'm hoping, I'm praying, guys. We need it to go away. We need some sense of normalcy. Back to work, back to normal life, you know? I've been locked up in that garage so long, and I'm running out of stuff to do, and I love you guys. Keep your heads up. We'll get through this. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy this kind of content, drop me a like, and let's get on with this then and now footage. So, here we go.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop. She want attention, I play the field with my henchmen. She want me back in detention. I study lessons, I'm in a different dimension. I move in different directions, we playing chess. She just gave me the address, see the lady in the dress. She the lady in my text, see the lady is a test. These days I roll alone, tryna stay the fuck up off the phone. Tryna come the fuck up off a poem, not tryna get cuffed up, cuffs and stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a top gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Pop out. If you don't like it, you can hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say this shit with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to grow and progress. Some shit is hard to accept, I know I'll never forget, and it's a bet, I keep my memory fresh.
Alright guys, so this is the midway point of the video, and that was Six Flags Over Texas then during COVID lockdown. The footage you just watched was during the COVID lockdown, and the park was closed down and there was nobody there. That was the footage from back in April when we were under lockdown and the park was completely shut down due to COVID-19. This next footage is from now. COVID is not over, but the lockdowns have been lifted and the park is back open. So here we go. Check out this Six Flags Over Texas theme park footage from now, after the COVID lockdowns are over. Roll that beautiful drone flight footage now that the park is back open.
I hope my enemies blessed.
tryna make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the loser. And I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing. So I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, we'll get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
Come and go like a round. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo. Yeah. Remember when we did it for life? Was noticing all these frames got me trimming the knife. Always on some new thing like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. All these women trying to write me. I get the message now, I know they wanna wife me. And not to mention all the bruises, I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a round. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo. Yeah, I cooked it up cause I'm a hero in my own town. Whoa, we just running on our own now. Whoa, all these digits on my phone now. Working through the late night, that's just how it goes down. Oh wow, put in work, I guess we work it out. Almost summer and the money almost running out. All this running up and down, it's getting funny now. I do it for myself and all you ever did was run your mouth. Yeah, we at the spot, they be stunning now. They don't see the bigger picture, we be cutting now. All I'm saying is the man that I'm becoming. He gon' take the new edition and they twist it like a plumber now. Yeah, I'm out here watching all these phony ones. Yeah, and they be thinking about my own runs. Oh, how they gon' catch me when I'm all around. Oh, I can't see why I didn't call it out. I come and go like a round. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it. That's the end of the then and now Six Flags video. So the first part of it was then, and the second part of it was now. You could tell when it was then, everything was closed down, there was nothing running, there was nobody in there. And the now it's back open and people are allowed to go in, and some of the rides were running and stuff. Turned out cool. I had a lot of fun flying here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, leave me a like, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Love you guys.